Spotted an SM file inside your Photoshop Elements catalog folder and worried it's slowing things down? This is a lock file the application uses to prevent corruption. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these files do and when to safely remove them. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your SEM, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. A user encountering a SEM file is typically troubleshooting an issue with Adobe Photoshop Elements. This file acts as a semaphore or lock, preventing multiple instances of the application from accessing and corrupting the main photo catalog database simultaneously. It is usually created when the program is running and deleted upon proper exit. The SEM file is a 0-byte or minimal data binary file. Its existence, not its content, is the critical factor. The operating system's file locking mechanism is used by the software to check for this file's presence, ensuring data integrity for the associated catalog file. This is a simple, efficient design for resource locking. The application responsible for generating the SEM file is typically Adobe Photoshop Elements by Adobe Systems Incorporated. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for execution. Windows depends on them, so deleting or editing them can lead to problems. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your SEM file and choose Open With. Test Adobe Photoshop Elements first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in that list. If you cannot access the SEM file, no problem. Dealing with a truly persistent SEM file, let's execute these quick diagnostic tests on the most likely points of failure. First, identifying the file. Locate the SM file inside your Photoshop Elements catalog folder, typically at Pictures, Adobe Elements, Organizer catalogs on Windows, or the Pictures folder on macOS. The file appears alongside the catalog database and supporting auxiliary files. Next, safely removing locks. Close Photoshop Elements. Completely and verify no related processes remain running in Task Manager or Activity Monitor. If the SM file persists after a clean exit, delete it manually to clear stuck locks that prevent the catalog from opening on next launch. Finally, repairing catalogs. If catalog access errors continue after removing the lock file launch, Photoshop Elements Organizer and use File, then manage catalogs, then repair to reconstruct database integrity. Always back up catalog folders before performing repair operations to prevent data loss. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.